Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download iOS 14 Beta 2 on your iOS devices. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'll be doing a giveaway of 2 Amazon gift cards once I reach 1,000 subscribers. For you to enter that contest, just be subscribed and comment down below to let me know you're subscribed. By doing those 2 things, you guys get 2 tickets in the hat. So with that being said, let's get into today's video on how to install iOS 14 Beta 2 or version 2. So I did a video a while ago on how to install iOS 14 Beta 1. I know some people that I've talked to, it said it was very buggy, kind of glitchy. Some didn't have any problems. So Beta 2 fixes some things that Apple came out with, fixed a couple patches, updated a couple things, so made this update much more stable. Apple will release the iOS 14 public update sometime in the fall, but if you want to get ahead of the curve and just check out some of the new features, you came to the right place. So to install this Beta 2 update, now remember, you're doing it at your own risk, so just know that there's a good chance that nothing will go wrong with your device, but I can't guarantee it. For me, I didn't have any problems, but depending on if you have an older device, you may experience problems, so just do this at your own risk. Go to the Safari web browser, and I want you to search for betaprofiles.com. So betaprofiles.com. Here we are at the Beta Profiles homepage. Scroll down and click on View Supported Devices. See if your phone's on this list, and if it is, you're good to go to install the Beta 2 update for iOS 14. If you scroll down even further, you have a couple iPad selections. If you want to do this on an iPad, you can do that. Maybe if you have 2 devices, you want to test this out on one device and leave your other device as just the normal, the normal device. You can do that as well. So just make sure you have an iPad on this list or a iPhone on this list that can support iOS 14. Let's go back to the home page here. What you're going to do, scroll down till you see iOS 14 Beta 2 Beta Profile. Hit download for me, and then it says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Just hit allow. Review the profile and settings app if you want to install it. Hit close. Close Safari. Go to your settings app. From here, click on profile downloaded, and it says iOS 14 beta software. It's been verified with Apple, so just hit install. Enter your passcode. From here, just hit install. Again, this is from Apple saying it's beta, it's pre-release software, so you may or may not experience bugs. So just keep that in consideration. Hit install, and then just hit install again. And it's going to ask you to restart your phone. Restart your phone. I'm not going to do it because I already did it, and I'll show you that I am on Beta 2, but restart your phone. I'll hit not now. Once you restart your phone, go back into settings, your settings app, click on general, then click on software update. Then from here it'll say one pending update. Click on that, and that would be your Beta 2 software update. Let it do its thing, let it update. It may take a while. Mine took about 10-15 minutes to fully update itself, and then it rebooted by itself. So just know that could take a while depending on what device you have and how fast your internet is. So keep that in consideration. So if I click About here and I click on Software Version, this is Beta 2 software. So it is 14.0, and this is the Beta 2 code, I guess you could say. So that is just a quick video on how to do iOS 14 Beta 2. If you want me to make a separate video on the new features in Beta 2 compared to Beta 1, let me know in the comments below. If not, I will put a link in the description on what the features are in Beta 2. So that was it, guys. That was the video how to install iOS 14 Beta 2. This came out a day or 2 ago, so jump on it. You shouldn't have any issues, but I'm not going to say you won't have 0 issues. Make sure you do this on a device that is not your daily driver. And that's it. I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, enter that Amazon gift card contest, and I will see you later. Peace.